Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set your feature photo private on Facebook using your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Facebook and log in your account. And now you want to click on the menu button, or there's three little lines at the lower right corner of your screen. Scroll down until you see settings. And now for the easier part, or for the easier way to do this, just go ahead and click on the search button at the upper right corner of your screen and search for story settings. So now you want to click on that and you want to choose story privacy. And now you want to click you want to click on hide story from. So here you can hide your stories from anyone, but also you can choose custom, and you can choose the only person or few people that you only want to view your story. But if you have a second account, you can go ahead and just add that account here so that no one can view your story. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.